Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is qualitative analysis of nature of roots. Okay. In qualitative analysis of the roots of quadratic equation, we have one formula that is discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. This formula of discriminant tell us about the nature of roots, whether the roots are negative, whether the roots are positive, it is equal, unequal, as well as real or complex. Now we have general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, where b is equal to b हमारे पास जो सेंट्रल मिडिल टर्म होती है वो सम होती है टू फैक्टर्स का एज वी डिस्कस बिफोर, और ए सी यानी मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ first term into constant term is equal to the product of two factors. Now we have every quadratic equation has two roots, alpha and beta, where alpha is equal to positive part of quadratic formula and beta is equal to negative part of the quadratic formula, or vice versa. According to assuming all these functions, these values, we have formula of discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. I repeat again the formula of discriminant. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. It is the simplest formula to find the nature of roots, to find the qualitative analysis of the roots. Now we have certain criteria. First one is if the value of d is equal to 0, then two roots alpha and beta are equal. If the value of d greater than 0 means the value of d positive, then roots are real but unequal. The third condition is if the value of d less than 0 means negative values, then the roots are complex, means imaginary and unequal. The fourth one is if the value of d is a perfect square. Perfect square वो नंबर होते हैं जिनके स्क्वायर रूट्स आराम से निकल जाएं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 1 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1, 2 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4, 3 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9. So 1, 4, 9 are the perfect square. If the value of d is a perfect square, then the roots are rational and unequal. Or if these four conditions does not satisfy by the qualitative analysis, then the roots are irrational. I told you the formula of discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now we consider the following example. Determine the nature of roots of the following equation. यहाँ आपके पास four questions given है. इन 4 questions की आपने nature of roots मालूम करनी है. The first one is 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now first of all we find the value of discriminant. For discriminant we have a is equals to 9, b is equals to 12 and c is equal to 4. Put all these three values in the formula of discriminant. The answer is d is equal to 0. When d is equal to 0, the first criteria is fulfilled, so the roots are real and equal. Likewise, we can find any kind of quadratic equation and its nature of roots. Example 2. For what positive integral values of m will 2x square plus 5x plus m is equal to 0 have rational root. यहाँ इस क्वेश्चन में आपके पास कंडीशन गिवन है रैशनल रूट. रैशनल रूट कब होती हैं? जब हमारे पास d की वैल्यू परफेक्ट स्क्वायर आ जाए. Okay, first of all we write the whole quadratic form equation. 2x square plus 5x plus m is equal to 0. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, c is equals to m. Put these three values in the formula of discriminant. Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. After putting these values, we have find d is equal to 25 minus 8m. Now we have tabular values. At every m we have another discriminant value. Put the values of m. We have generate the values of d. When m is equals to 0, d is equals to 25. When m is equals to 1, d is equal to 17. When m is equals to 2, d is equal to 9. When m is equals to 3, d is equal to 1. When m is equals to 4, d is equal to minus 7. When m is equal to 5, d is equal to minus 15. Now we check the which values of d is a perfect square. So the first one, 25 is a perfect square of 5. Okay. 9 is a perfect square of 3. 1 is a perfect square of 1. So these three values are the perfect square. So in these three values are perfect square. So these three ये three values generate किस m की values पे हो रही हैं 0, 2 और 3. Hence the roots are rational at point 0, 2 and 3. Thank you.